Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to design a window hood on this 4-bedroom bungalow. There are several ways you can design a window hood, but I want to show you one of the methods. So the first thing we need to do is to go to one side of the elevations. I'll be clicking this front elevation. Click the front elevation, right click, then open with current view setting. Okay. So now let's draw out the shape of the window hood. So let's offset every side. Click on the line, then click and press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard to offset, then click, drag it to this part, want to offset, then type your distance on the keyboard 100, then click enter. To intersect all the lines, select all the lines, hold shift on your keyboard, click on all the lines, then on the top of your display screen click on intersect to intersect all the lines. So now we can now drag the lines out. Ctrl D on your keyboard, then drag it out. You can see. So you cannot remove all this unwanted line. Just hold Control on your keyboard, then click on the lines you don't want. So this is the front. So let me also draw out the shape of the other design I want. Here is 150. Enter. Cut. Enter. Here's 100. Enter. 70. Enter. 30. Enter. 30. Enter. This is what I want. Let me take this inside it. Okay, no, it's okay like this. So I want to make a curvature here. So click on the line. Click the midpoint of the line, click on this curve edge to type in your desired radius. You can use 20 or I'll be using 20. Okay. And for the other side, click on it, click the midpoint, put in your desired radius. Let's use this. Okay. You can see. So the next thing we need to do now is to click on design, click on this morph tool, hold spacebar on your keyboard, click the center of this shape, click on it. You can see the color has changed. So click on the morph tool we just did, Ctrl D on your keyboard to drag. So drag it to where you want to place it. Okay, now let's go to our 3D. Now click on it, click on the design, this morph design, click on it, click on one end of it, after which click on this here, you click on it. So let's give it a thickness of 50. Click enter on your keyboard twice. You click enter twice. Okay. So now we can now drag it there. Let's go to our ground floor to see if it is there. Okay, it is here. Click on it, press Ctrl D on your keyboard, drag it to where we want it to be. Let's check our 3D. Okay, so let's change the color. I normally use titanium white. I'll be using titanium white, paint titanium white. Click on OK. So I've changed it to white. So now let's place our other design at the down. So go to your south elevation. Just copy out this design. Just copy out. Press Ctrl C. I want to use the complex profile to design its profile manager. Then click on this new. Let's name it as bottom hood. BOTTON bottom hood. Then click OK. So press Ctrl V to paste. Now let's drag it. Ctrl D. Drag one side to here. That red sign. Make sure you place it on that red sign. Okay. So the next thing we need to do, let's change this to. We're not using wall tool, we're using this beam tool. So click on beam, then untick your wall. So click on design, click on document, click on this fill tool, hold spacebar on your keyboard, click inside. So you can see we have clicked inside, so the color here has changed. So click on design layers, click this horizontal stretch, vertical stretch, and open a reference. Click on uniform profile, click on override, click this component selected, click on turn the cut to finish, click override. Then let's use titanium white. I normally use titanium white, so that's for that. So what next? We are done. So let's start the profile. Remember, we use bottom hood and this beam. So stop profile. Now let's go to our ground floor. The beam we used here, click on it, click on settings dialog. The bottom profile, let's look at it. Click on bottom profile. Then the height, we want it. I don't know the height yet, but let me use 400 first, then we can modify it later. So we'll use titanium white when we are doing it. So click on OK. So let's draw it out. Fifty should be to the left side. If here is 700, so 50 to the left now will be 750. 750. Enter. So from this other side now, I want 50 to be at the right side, starting from your window hood. So 50 to the right side. Click it. So if here is 850, 50 to the right side will be 900. Click enter. So let's go to our 3D to check it out. Okay, look at what we did. Click on it, Ctrl D on your keyboard to draw it up. As you can see, we have created our window hood. This here shouldn't be here, so let's remove it. Okay, let's go to our 3D. You can see we have successfully created our window hood. So what we just need to do now is to copy, then drag. Let's go to our south elevation. You can do it on the floor plan, you can do it on the elevations. But let me start by doing it here. Click on this, hold shift on your keyboard, click on this, then Ctrl D. Ctrl Shift D, not Ctrl D. Ctrl Shift D means to drag a copy. Ctrl Shift D. And click on one side, and let's go to our 3D. You can see we have placed a window hood here, placed a window hood here. So this is how we are going to place it round. The ones that are smaller in size, you can modify. Let me just show you how to modify. Just click on it. If the window is smaller in size, just click on it, click the center of the side, click on this right here, this, make sure you click on this offset edge, click on it, then drag it like that. Then you click again, drag it up also, because there are two. The thickness is there is both sides, so just drag it up also. Then the other side also, you do that there. Use this as a reference. Then the other one again, you click on it also, then you drag it up. Then after that, you can now click on this, Ctrl D to drag it up. You can see we have reduced it. I do this so that in case you encounter a smaller window, you can do this so that it can fit into that window. So hope you have learned a lot from this video. So if you have not subscribed to this my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe so as to enable me to create more of this nice video. Thank you and do have a nice day.